NHS medics are dying, and Dr. Alfa Saadu is one. The Nigerian-born retired medical director spent his whole career in the NHS and was also a devoted grandfather. He was working with elderly patients just 1 day a week with no protective equipment, yet still managed to catch the virus. His condition deteriorated on Sunday after 2 weeks of staying at home, but he resisted using up stretched NHS resources.
We said goodbye to him, not knowing that would be the last time we'd see him. And after that, from Sunday evening to Tuesday morning, he just deteriorated. Body shut down, organ failure. I've never seen anything. You know, both my parents are doctors. I'm quite experienced or quite experienced with different diseases and viruses that are out there, but I've never seen anything like this.
7 unions have called the lack of PPE a crisis within a crisis, saying medics are being exposed to unreasonable and unnecessary risk by the failure to provide adequate PPE. Several doctors have told us about their worries.
Unlike a lot of the military rhetoric which is happening right now, we're not soldiers that are trained for war. We are ordinary human beings who have families, who are terrified for our safety. And we are terrified for their safety, because the reality is that we could be bringing this virus home to the people that we love most.
Many health workers are buying protective equipment themselves or getting donations, amid claims that complaints directly to the media are met with threats and pressure to stop.
We've been hearing from frontline doctors in their droves who have concerns about personal protective equipment, about the lack of testing of frontline staff. And as they've raised these concerns locally, they've essentially been gagged by either managers or senior managers within their organisations. They're being told that their social media, for example, is being monitored, and that if they were to raise concerns, that in some cases their jobs and positions will become untenable.
For Dr. Saadu's family, the loss is immeasurable, and his son Danny warned others to take the virus seriously.
I remember when Boris Johnson said on the news a few weeks ago, he said, you know, be prepared to lose loved ones. And at the time when he said it, I got really angry. And I just thought, you know, this is not a movie. Why are you saying this? You know, you're over-dramatizing this. And I now understand what he means. I've learned the hard way. People really need to take this seriously. This isn't a joke.
His father is viewed as a hero by many, one of an increasing number. But behind all these statistics are real people, real lives lost, leaving real families behind. Alex Crawford, Sky News, North London.